Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are working with the digraph CH. CH says ch. Our first word is inch. I, n, ch. I hear three sounds. I, n, ch. First sound, I, n, ch. Inch. Please write inch on number 1. I, n, ch. Inch. With your highlighter, please highlight the CH digraph. Our next word is much. Ch. Much. 3 sounds. Ch. Please write each sound you hear. Ch. Much. On number 2, please write much. Ch. Much. With your highlighter, please highlight the CH digraph in much. Our next word is chip. Ch-I-P. Chip. 3 sounds. Ch-I-P. 1 sound in each box. Ch-I-P. Chip. On number 3, please write chip. Ch-I-P. Chip. With your highlighter, please highlight the CH digraph. Ch. Our next word is lunch. L-N-Ch. Lunch. 4 sounds. L-N-Ch. Lunch. Write each sound. L-N-Ch. Lunch. On number 4, write lunch. L-N-Ch. Lunch. With your highlighter, please highlight the CH digraph. Our next word is chant. Ch-A-N-T. Chant. 4 sounds. Ch-A-N-T. Chant. 1 sound in each box. Ch-A-N-T. Chant. On number 5, please write chant. Ch-A-N-T. Chant. Please highlight the CH digraph in chant. Next word is chin. Ch-I-N. Chin. Ch-I-N. Chin. Write each sound. Ch-I-N. Chin. Write chin on number 6. Ch-I-N. Chin. With your highlighter, please highlight the CH digraph chin. Our next word is champ. Ch-A-M-P. Champ. 4 sounds. Ch-A-M-P. Champ. Ch-A-M-P. Champ. On number 7, please write champ. Ch, a, p, champ. With your highlighter, please highlight the CH digraph. Ch. Our next word is chug. Ch, g, chug. Ch, g, chug. Ch, g, chug. On number 8, write chug. Ch, g, chug. With your highlighter, please highlight the CH digraph. Ch. Next word is chop. Ch, a, p, chop. Ch, a, p, chop. On number 9, please write chop. Ch, a, p, chop. With your highlighter, please highlight the CH digraph. Our last word is pinch. P, I, ch, pinch. 4 sounds. P, I, ch, pinch. P, I, ch, pinch. On number 10, please write pinch. P, I, ch, pinch. On number 10, highlight the CH digraph. Way to go. Turn your paper over. Okay, my friends, please pick 3 different colored crayons. We are going to be sorting digraphs. We are looking for words with a CH, ch digraph. We're looking for words with an SH, sh digraph, and words with a WH, w digraph. I'm going to be using colors red for CH, blue for SH, and green for WH. Ch, sh, and w. My first word is dish, dish. What color should I color dish? What digraph do you see? That's right, we see SH. You don't need to color the whole word, you can just color the digraph. Then I'm going to move on to whale. W-A-L, whale. What digraph do you see in whale? That's right, WH. Remember, just color the digraph. Don't worry about coloring the entire box. That would take too long. Our next word is chin. Ch-I-N, chin. What digraph do you see in chin? That's right, CH says ch. Then we have choke. Ch-O-K, choke. What digraph do you see in choke? That's right, CH, ch. Then we have shine. Sh-I-N, shine. What digraph do you see in shine? That's right, SH. So I'm going to color the SH, whatever color you chose for SH. I chose blue, so I colored mine blue. My next word is wine. W-I-N, wine. What digraph do you see in wine? WH, so I'm going to color it green. Then I have the word on the next line, while. W-I-L-E, I-O, while. What digraph do you see in while? W-H. W. My next word is pinch. P-I-N-C-H. Pinch. What digraph do you see in pinch? That's right, C-H at the end. Pinch. Then we have the word shot. Sh-ot. Shot. What digraph do you see in shot? That's right, a blue S-H. Shh. Then we have chop. Ch-op. Chop. What digraph do we see? C-H. Chop. Next word is wheel. W-eel. Wheel. What digraph do you see in wheel? That's right, W-H says w. Next word is whisk. W-I-S-K. Whisk. I see the W-H digraph in whisk. Next word is shame. Sh-A-M. Shame. What digraph do you see in shame? S-H. So I'm going to color mine blue because I used blue for S-H. Next word is fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. What digraph do you see in fresh? That's right, S-H. Last word is lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. What digraph do you see in lunch? C-H. So I'm going to color mine red because I used red for C-H. All right, my friends, now we are going to write the words in the proper boxes. So number 1, back at the top, is dish. I can see my SH digraph, so I'm going to write it underneath SH in the SH column. D-I-S-H. Dish. And when I'm done, I'm going to cross it off. My next word is whale. I see WH digraph, so I'm going to put whale underneath my WH column. W-A-L. Whale. Cross it off when I'm done. Then I have the word chin. Ch-in. Chin has a red C-H. Ch-I-N. Chin. Cross it off when I'm done. Then I have choke. Choke goes under C-H. Ch-O-K. Choke. Cross it off when you're done. Next word is shine. I'm going to put it underneath the S-H column. Sh-I-N. Shine. Cross it off when you're done. Then I have wine. W-I-N. It goes underneath the W-H column. Cross it off when I'm done. Okay, my friends, you're going to finish writing the last 9 words by yourself into the correct columns. Good luck. You're going to do great.